For project 4-5, you need to download the developer document from Canvas. And it should look like this. First thing you need to do is save it. Go to File, Save As, and save it as 4-5 Developer Description. 4-5 Developer Description. Once you've done that, we're going to do quite a bit to this one, actually, with the layout to make it look pretty nice. First thing is to Show Hide button. Click the Show Hide button right here in the Home tab. And that shows our paragraph markings and spacings. And then what we're going to do is just delete all of these paragraphs. So click here, put the cursor there, backspace 3 times, click it right here, backspace. Anytime you see this paragraph marker at the beginning of a line, you need to click on it and backspace it, delete it out of there. So we're going to put our own spacing in here, now that we know how to do spacing before and after. Okay, after that, let's select the title and give it some shading. So we're not going to highlight it or change the font color. We're actually going to do shading. So in the paragraph section, the shading bucket, click the drop down and let's choose Orange Accent 6 Lighter 40. So here's Orange Accent 6 Lighter 40 is right here in the middle. So click that, it shades kind of the back behind it. It doesn't highlight it. It's a little bit different. It's kind of behind the text. Alright, also on that paragraph we're going to put some spacing after, 24 points of spacing. So in the paragraph dialog box, spacing after, bring it up to 24 and click OK. So that puts our own spacing in there. The next thing, let's select these next 2 titles, position title and position objective. In fact, let's just do the titles there. And hold down Control and then select position objective. So we're just getting the titles. And we're going to apply another shade of Orange Accent 6 Lighter 80%. So lighter 80, that's usually the top one. Orange Accent 6 Lighter 80%. Okay, very light shading there. Now, let's select Principal, Accountability, and Essential Duties of the job. And Qualifications, so hold down Control and select Qualifications title. And let's do you know what, I think I forgot one of them. Let's select this one as well and do the same shading that we had before, since this puts the last shading we did, and so just click it and that's the lighter 80%. Okay, now let's select the other 2. Hold down Control and click and drag Qualifications and the other one. And then on this one, let's do Orange Accent 6 Lighter 80. Let's see, nope, not that one, sorry. We're going to put a shadowed box on this one. So right here's a border. The borders, click the drop down, and we're going to go to Borders and Shading option down here. And this is the same as we would put a border around the whole document, but we just selected what we wanted, and we're going to put a shadow box border. Change the thickness to 2 1/4 point, and the color we're going to change to Orange Accent 6 Darker 50. So this one right here. Click OK, and it gives us a shaded box or a shadow box around those 2 headings. Okay, let's change the spacing a little bit now. So let's do the paragraph spacing of position title and position objective, these 2. Just select the whole paragraph on these and go to the paragraph dialog box, and the spacing after we're going to put to 12 points. Click OK, spaces it out a little bit, on the reports to heading right here, just select that paragraph. In fact, we could just click it in front of that paragraph if it's just that one. And we're going to put 24 points after to give it some nice space. So go to the dialog box, 24 points, click OK, and it spaces that out nicely. Okay, the last thing, we're going to put some bullet points here. So select the bullet point, or select the information in between these two headings. And we're going to click the drop down next to bullets and select that diamond, solid diamond. Let's select the next grouping and do the same, the solid diamond. And spacing, let's do 12 points before this paragraph and this paragraph actually. So if I select this one, hold down Control and select this one, we're going to put 12 points of spacing before these paragraphs. That spaces it away from that shaded box a little bit. And right here on the last line of this one doesn't matter because that's the end of the document, but on this one we're going to space it out 18 points after. Click OK. And there it is, nice and spaced out. And we've got the shading behind the titles. You can click off the show hide so it looks nice. Save it, make sure it's saved as 4-5 developer description. 4-5 developer description, and then we'll move on to the next one.